Hey everyone, today I will show you the brand new Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield. If you have already seen the older version of Kling, you know how powerful they were at generating realistic videos from text. But with the Kling 2.6 audio, things have gone to a completely new level. In this video, I'll show you what it can do, how it works, and why everyone is going crazy about it right now. Kling 2.6 audio is an AI video generation model that lets you create fully animated videos with synchronized sound using just a simple text prompt. Not only does it create visuals, it creates meshed ambient sounds, movement sounds, character interactions, and environment audio also. So instead of manually adding SFX or searching for background audio, Kling does all of it automatically. This means you can write a short story or scene description and it turns that into a mini animated movie complete with motion, music, sound effects and timing. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans. Also, as you can see, Higgsfield currently has the lowest prices in the market. Now let's talk about what new Kling 2.6 audio is and why this update really matters. Native audio. This is the headline feature. Kling 2.6 generates video and audio together, voice, ambience and sound effects in a single pass. No extra editing, no plugins, no manual syncing. You get a complete ready to use shot instantly, and if you want you can always replace the audio later, but for the first draft, previews and social contents it's good to go as is. Optional silent output. For professionals this is huge. You can turn the audio off and generate a clean silent video for custom sound design, music scoring or voiceover work. So you get the best of both worlds, all in one output with speed matters, silent high quality visuals when control matters. Motion quality has taken a big step forward. Kling 2.6 delivers stable multi-object scenes, smoother character movement and cleaner camera paths. Characters stay consistent, camera moves feel intentional, longer shot hold together. The result, videos that feel polished and professional. Prompt understanding is much more sharper now. Kling 2.6 accurately captures action, framing, camera style and emotion tone. Ask for a calm emotional moment, the motion and sound slows down. And ask for energy, everything ramps up. So it's finally understands the intent, not just the text. And yes, full 1080p output, sharper faces, better textures, cleaner details. This isn't just the demos anymore, it's ready for the real world content publishing. Now let us enjoy and experience the power of Kling with some generated short videos.
And winter is coming.
L'hiver arrive. Se acerca el invierno.
Der Winter kommt.
Dòng tiền giàu lái le.
सर्दी आ रही है.
These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.
Those were mind-blowing, isn't it? Let us demonstrate how to generate a video. I have created a short 4-scene animated story using just text prompts. First go to higgsfield.ai, select image and then Nano Banana Pro. Add this prompt for the scene 1. Reach white dog Snowy celebrating birthday inside fancy house fence. Colorful cake on table, balloons, decorations. Poor brown dog Simba watching sadly from outside gate. Bright morning, cute cartoon style. Then select the aspect ratio, resolution, batch size and then generate. After a few seconds, this beautiful image was generated. Similarly, create images from scene 2 to scene 4 also with appropriate prompts. I shall add those prompts in the description. Finally, these 4 images were created. Then go to the video and then click 2.6, upload the scene 1 image that we just generated. Add the prompt cute white fluffy dog Snowy celebrating his birthday inside a luxurious house backyard with a white fence and blah blah blah. You can see the full prompt in the description. Keep the audio toggle on, set the duration as 10 seconds and also the aspect ratio, and then click to generate. After a few seconds, this video will be generated. Similarly, create videos for scene 2 to scene 4 with appropriate prompts. Finally, I have stitched everything together to create this animated short story. And remember, all this was generated directly from text only, no video editing, no audio mixing, no Foley sound, all done by AI.
It's the best birthday ever!
I wish I could join the celebration.
Maybe one day, friend. Good job, Simba. Here's your reward. Come on, Snowy. Join me inside for the celebration.
I'd love to! This is the best birthday ever! Come on, Simba. Let's see who can hold the rope longer. You're on, Snowy. This is so much fun and...
Now let's talk about who this is actually for and why Kling 2.6 audio is such a game changer across the industries. If you are making YouTube shorts, explainers, demos or storytelling videos, Kling 2.6 lets you generate instant voiceover with perfectly synced audio. You write a prompt and you get a finished clip. This is huge for creators who want speed without sacrificing quality. Kling 2.6 allows marketers to generate fast video ads while visuals, voice and mood match the message instantly. This means quicker testing, faster iterations and lower production cost. Filmmakers can now generate scenes with built-in atmosphere, ambient sound and even character voices. It's perfect for storyboarding, mood test, concept scenes and pre-visualization. You are not just seeing the scenes, you are feeling it. For VFX and motion design, Kling 2.6 is amazing for testing ideas quickly. You get auto-generated ambience, character audio without spending hours on setup. It's a rapid prototyping machine. Teachers, trainers, storytellers benefit massively from clear narration and supportive sounds. Instead of static visuals, you can now create engaging narrated visual lessons with almost no effect. And finally, for agencies handling high volume video content, Kling 2.6 offers predictable low iteration audio workflows, fewer revisions, faster turnaround, consistent quality. Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio feels like a glimpse into the future of content creation. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's incredibly beginner friendly. Whether you are a YouTuber, a storyteller, a teacher, a filmmaker, or an advertiser, someone who loves experimenting with AI, this tools opens a new world of possibilities. If you want me to make a full tutorial on prompting for Kling 2.6 or a comparison with other AI video models, just drop a comment below.
Hey, everyone! If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me!